How is your feeling? What is your thought? Express your opinion. Doesn't have personal feeling, thought or opinion. It processes information and provides data. But it can explain how human express these things, like using I feel statement for emotions or phrases. How do you express your thought and feelings? Expect your feeling, describe your feeling, practice express your feeling. Thought versus moods, avoiding judge feeling, verbalize your feeling, share your feeling daily. What are your thoughts and feelings? Thoughts are your self task. Feelings are your emotional moods, and behaviors are your action, including how you spent your time. You can see how they impact your feeling, but tuning into your thoughts and noticing your behavior, being aware of your thoughts is especially important. How do you express my thoughts? Make no more than 3 points. Explain difficult ideas in three different ways. Make important point 3 times. Express your thoughts clearly through connection. Through connection. What are the 10 most positive emotions? Joyful, happy, glad, light-hearted, pleased, grateful, thankful, appreciate, peaceful, relaxed, serene, yet interested, engaged, attentive, hopeful, wishful, expecting good things, proud, beaming, satisfied, confident, accomplished, amused, humorous, fun, loving, playful, siddhi. Siddhi. Are your thoughts how to feel? Thoughts drive your emotion. What you think you become. Gautama Buddha. When your thoughts appear to be product of your overwhelming sadness and grief. No, that is your thoughts. That is your thought that are feeding the sadness rather than other way around. Your thoughts generate feelings which you then act upon. What are the 10 good thoughts? 10 good thoughts: kindness, cost, nothing but means everything, perseverance, success, going from failure to failure with loss of enthusiasm and gratitude turns we have.